In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create private board Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a secure space for sensitive work so only the right people can see and collaborate on it. First, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com account and you're on the home page. This is the central hub where you can see your workspaces, recent boards, and anything you've been working on. If your team uses multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one before you start so your new board lands in the correct area. From the home page, look for the blue plus button. It's your quick add shortcut for creating new items within your workspace. Click that button to start a new addition. This opens the Create menu, which is designed to keep things simple and fast. From the menu, choose Board. Monday.com has other options like documents and dashboards, but for our purposes, Board is what you want. Boards are where tasks, workflows, and projects live, and they're the backbone of how teams organize their work in Monday.com. Next, click New Board. This takes you to the setup screen where you define what the board is and who can see it. Think of this as the foundation step. Getting this right will make everything that follows easier. Now it's time to give your board a name and a description. In the title field, type something short and descriptive that your team will immediately recognize, like Q3 Roadmap or Client Onboarding. In the description, add a quick line or two about the board's purpose and the kind of work it will track. Clear titles and descriptions help others find the board later and understand how to use it without guessing. If your team uses naming conventions, stick to them here for consistency. Before you create the board, set its privacy. Click Private. A private board in Monday.com is only visible to you and to specific people you invite. This is perfect for confidential projects, draft plans, HR, or finance work, and anything that shouldn't appear across the broader workspace. Choosing private now ensures you're in control from the start, rather than fixing visibility later. You'll also see options that let you shape what this board will manage. This is where you can align the board to the kind of work you'll track, like tasks, sprints, campaigns, or deliverables. Pick the choices that best match your project's structure. If there's an option to start with a layout that fits your workflow, it can save time. Think briefly about what information you'll want to capture, things like status, owner, due dates, or priority, and select the setup that makes those details easy to work with. The goal here is to make your board useful on day one without overcomplicating it. When everything looks good, click Create Board. Monday.com will generate your private board and open it right away. You'll see your empty canvas ready for customization, and because it's private, only invited members will have access to it. From here, you can start adding items, groups, and any structure you need, but the key point is that your privacy setting is already locked in. If you're collaborating with a small group, you can invite teammates later directly from the board when you're ready, keeping control over exactly who gets access. To recap, you went to your Monday.com homepage, used the blue plus button to start a new item, selected board, clicked New Board, named it clearly with a helpful description, set the visibility to private, chose the options that match what you'll manage, and created the board. That's the full flow for a secure, focused workspace inside Monday.com. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider applying the same approach to other sensitive projects so your team's information stays organized and protected from the moment you create the board.